Spotify is rolling out a new feature that will let users filter their liked songs based on genre and mood. Spotify clubs all liked songs under one playlist in a user's library. There are playlists that users can make, but liked songs are all clubbed in one playlist, so these filters can actually help in finding certain tunes you might be looking for. The new genre and mood filters have started rolling out to all Spotify users, premium and free. It's rolling out first to users in the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. This feature also requires users to have at least 30 tracks in their liked songs collection, and they will be able to filter these songs by up to 15 personalized mood and genre categories. If you have received this feature, you should be able to start using it following these steps. Open the Spotify app, select your library, and then tap on Liked Songs. You'll see a set of filters on top of the playlist header. Choose any one of these filters to display all tracks that fall under that mood or genre. To select another genre, just tap the X icon on the present filer to disable it, and you'll be back in your liked songs collection. Spotify's different genre and mood filters for liked songs include rap, trap, chill, folk, indie, electronic and more. Your liked songs playlist will continue working as it does, where you tap the heart button on a song, and it gets added to the collection. Accordingly, songs added or removed from liked songs will also be updated in the different filters. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thanks for watching.